Hey guys, my name is Beverly, aka Littest 2001, and I am doing a Uwinshair review. Super excited. So in the box there is this case. And then the real deal. Inside this beautiful bag, get another package. And then you find the wig inside this net. Wow. Talk about protecting the wig. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut the lace. There we go. Hopefully I didn't cut it very close to the hairline. I'm gonna try it on. Damn! Like, do we even? Bruh. Okay, I'm not gonna apply the glue because it's really late, but I usually apply this and I used this for the longest time. That's why I had to cut it in half. It lasted for 5 months. Okay, now to activate the curls, I am going to use my curl activator mousse from Olive Oil. Just activate the curls. Okay. What? Like, what lace? What lace? Okay, so I'm gonna add more of this because wow, I am so in love with this mousse. Like, what? Oh my god, I'm in love with this, girls. You came through for your girl. Thank you so much. I'm loving it. Make sure to purchase yours.